Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version as a breaking news. Yeah, plants. Plants have small pores on the underside of their leaves, known as stomata. When the sun rises, these pores open and the plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which they need in addition to sunlight and water for photosynthesis. At the same time, water evaporates through the open stomata. For a tree, this may be several hundred liters per day. When water is scarce, plants can close their stomata and thus prevent it from evaporating too much water. And the fact that plants have these protective mechanisms at their disposal is nothing new. Until now, however, it has not been clear when the closure occurs and what the trigger was. Researchers at the Department of Environmental Sciences and the University of Basel provided new findings in Nature Plants. Most of the measurement data comes from the University of Basel's Forest Laboratory in Holstein in the canton of Basel. Landschaft where a crane makes it possible to study processes in the crowns of mature trees. The evaporation of water through the stomata is a passive process during carbon dioxide absorption, and water loss is therefore the price a plant pays for photosynthesis. By closing the stomata, it can step and call the stop evaporation, but then it cannot photosynthesize. When it comes to plants, researchers have traditionally focused on photosynthesis, so it was previously assumed that trees treated this process as a priority and therefore kept the stomata open for as long as possible to absorb CO2. Only closing them when there was no other option, explained study leader Professor Ansgar Khamen. The exclusive report, FTB English, Delhi, Bharat.